Got the gang with me.
This a Hellcat, this ain't no scat pack. It's not but real, that's bitch, this a Hellcat, this ain't no scat pack. It's not but real, that's a glass 17 matte black. 100 bands on.
Yeah, gang, I'm about to take this hood off. We got that bolt right here. We got the bolts right here. And yeah, of course I gotta get all these push pins off so I can, get all these push pins off, and then I can take this plastic off. Try not to break them, but I'm getting a new hood anyway, so if I ain't able to put this back on, this heat shield, it is what it is. All right, y'all, so I got the hood off. You know, we're about to hear how loud that supercharger sound with this hood off. What's good, gang? Yeah, I'm in here riding, you know what I'm saying, trying to get y'all some content, and it's raining outside, so it's about to start raining, so yeah, I'm about to go park this for probably like 2 hours, and I'm gonna get y'all some content in a minute. But let me let y'all hear how it sounds a little bit. Window cracked now, y'all. Had like a little Ford. Had like a little Ford STI beside me. Shit's slow. Hold on, it's kind of wet right here. I can't OD. Look, raining on the engine. I try to get y'all some content. Look what happened. Oh man, my engine was clean. He gave me the thumbs up. Yeah, he don't want no smoke. yeah. He was just on my boots though. I ain't the rain caught me, bro. Alright, y'all, part 2. Came back out. It ain't supposed to rain till 4, so hopefully it don't rain again. The thing ain't whistling like it normally do, because I think the air foot's kind of wet a little bit, but that would sound alright. I gotta get the good tunnel pulls. Yeah. Y'all, you know where we at. Got my boy Z, he in up, y'all. The big turbocharged. Cut the ring, okay. Yeah, no, I don't know. I think it was the RT, the way it sounds. I think it sounds loud. You know, we out. About to rain again, part 2. We can't catch a break. Supercharged. Hey Z, tell him your shit supercharged, so don't even worry about that.
It is twin turbos.
Yes sir. Why you think he got the stock wheels? He ain't worried about nobody.
Man, sit your dumb ass down.
This got wet earlier, so you know, it's drying out. Probably go get wet again. Shit.
Bro, what is it supposed to be? Bro, it's supposed to be like a buff and shit, ain't it? No, it's sports car. It's like car travel.
You know, he new to the car world, gang.
Fucking light is.
Don't even, yeah. But it's cool to look like after last night. Yeah, we good.
My car's A1. That nigga said after last night.
We OD. Now, I check my own cooler too. What you mean?
Yeah, I know you keep a water bottle in your back pocket for you.
I'll deal with you later. I ain't having that right now from you. Oh, no, I'm not dealing with that.
Slow walk that mug. God damn it. Damn, back there walking that mug. Oh shit, red light. I'm about to wrap this mug up. Go ahead and wrap this bitch up. It's a little moist out here, gang.
It's a little moist.
Yeah.
Hey, Slipper, you want me to give you something?
Yeah, give me some. You gotta let off, but when you feel like it's too much, you gotta let off that mug. Got the gang with me, y'all. Yeah. Hey, gang. Don't total that. Yeah.
My engine ticking on you. What's going on?
Yeah, oil change. 2 slides, oil change. Stupid ass. Yeah, see, I see you back there, see? Back there geeking. What? On my car?
I'm saying, I'm a
Bro, go ahead and move around, bro.
I gotta get my content.
No, bro, move, bro. Move around, bro. Cutting up. Car spook. Get in y'all lane. These niggas toxic, bro. Y'all heard that? That's with that hood all. That sounds crazy. Thing sounds amazing, y'all. Got the views over there. Let me get y'all that third gear pull. Go ahead and make a wrong move. One wrong move, you in that grass over there. You already know we always gotta have somebody slow in front of us. Y'all, yes sir. So everybody already headed home and we teed up for the night, man. So everybody just pretty much went in. Still got the hood on, so I'm on the way back to the house to put the hood back on. Look at the view though, y'all. Look at the view I'm giving y'all right now. Yeah. I'm gonna give y'all some whining. I just want to end the video off a little bit, y'all. Give y'all a little bit of content, man. I keep ending the video on just whenever I start recording at the certain points, I just stop it. But I did start telling y'all about before the video's end, man. So, yeah, that's the end of this video, gang. Appreciate the support. Please comment, please like, please subscribe to the video, man. I appreciate y'all. Till next time.
Fat rats, I'm out the way.